Let's make 4 juices that have a high juice yield. So first we have celery. Now, 1 stalk of celery will give us about 16 ounces of juice. Then we have carrots, and this is about 2.5 pounds of carrots, and carrots are surprisingly juicy. Now, this is going to give us about 18 ounces of juice. And then we have that good old pineapple. Now, 1 large pineapple will yield us about 32 ounces of juice. And then we have that large seeded watermelon. Now, watermelon is comprised mostly of water, so it has a very high juice yield. You're going to get a lot. So this is going to give us over 148 ounces of juice. So all combined with all the 4 juices, that's going to give us over 220 ounces of juice, all for under $20. All right, get your juice on.